All right, well, let's see. Anyway, guy, girl, it's time for bed. Chase, you know, I tried to make this curtain work, but I couldn't get it to work. I love you puppies so much. You're so pretty. They're so smart. I'm so grateful that both of you made it through your surgery, your spay, and your neuter, and that you made it through those rough days afterwards, and you were all worried, and you felt all down, and life was just down for everyone. But what I saw was everybody remained together, and everybody protected one another, and it was beautiful to witness, to see literally animals creating their own peace without any level of emotion that deals with drama, blame, shame, or judgment. Animals don't do that. They don't do it. They may fight till death, yes. They may fight till the end, yes. But for the most part, it's usually humans that interfere with animals that create those issues. Animals in general want peace. That is survival of the fittest. In order to survive this life, you can't exhaust your energies and your life and your mind and your body and everything about you on blaming and shaming and judging everything and everyone else in life. Oh my God, I just got into one of my preaching modes. OMG. That's what my mom and I call it, is my preaching modes. Well, I call it that. My mom now calls it that. Amen. Anyway, I love these two giant puppies. Juno and Chase. And, you know, they did sleep inside for like, I think 5-6 nights in a row. And prior to that, never had come into our home. And getting them in for those 5 nights was hard. They didn't want to come in. They had created their own boundaries. I gotta fix that curtain. Oh no. Anyway, now I feel bad because I knew what was going to happen would happen, and it did happen. And it's now happening, and I'm feeling awful about it, is that they never even knew what was behind that red door before we literally carried them in to spend that first night, and then begged them to come in, carried them in the second night, begged them the third and fourth and fifth night. And then after that, they were like, whoa, yeah. Hey, where you go, we go, you know? They had a boundary. I opened that boundary up. And now I'm shutting them out of it. And that's what's really hard for me as the shepherd, because I'm not just a dog mom. I am a shepherd, and I do care greatly about the needs of each of my flock. So it's always a lot that I'm thinking, always a lot that I'm talking about. My mom says I put her to sleep, I know. And, well, it's what I hope to do with my animals at nighttime, is put them to sleep. And during the day, I hope to fascinate and engage and have my animals just continue following me everywhere because they enjoy who I am. Even if they can't communicate with me in the ways that humans can. All right, that's my bad breast. That's my bad breast. I gotta fix this curtain and then go in, okay guys? The shepherd has to take care of herself. I can't feel bad. It's one day at a time. And I just continue to do what we were doing before. I don't tell them no. I don't say, no, you can't come in. Or get back. Or I never, ever, we've never said any of that. I just say wait. Or I'll be right back. Or BRB. BRB. That's the one I use the most. BRB, because it's the quickest to say. BRB. BRB. But seriously, I do need to go in. And I don't sit in fields all day. And I'm not crazy. I'm just somebody who's being gifted literally a life that allows me to embrace and enjoy all of it in the ways that I do. All right. What happened here? When you live on a farm, you've got a lot of bungee cords, bungee cords everywhere, right? Sometimes I lock them in the paddock area here, and sometimes I don't. It is really windy tonight, and I don't want them out there roaming in this wind. Wish I could let them in, but then I see this and I go, no, they're okay. You know, this is their domain. I'm gonna turn this around. This will be another good wind barrier like this. Again, sometimes we interfere and it's like, just don't do it, you know? Leave it. They figure it out. I don't know. I'm gonna leave them that option. All right, guys, stay warm. It's gonna be a cold one. Gave you extra hay, I hope, enough. Oh, PJ, look at PJ. I put that in there yesterday, the little horse. Oh, PJ. Love you, both of you. I'll see you in the morning, okay? The good puppies, I'm gonna close this up so you can just rest and not have to worry about coming out onto the big part of the property, okay? I know. This is always the worst time, and my energy does change, and I'm still working on that. I do explain, Chase, the reason we're doing this is so... The reason I explain it is because then that creates my energy of truth. It's matter of fact. That's when I say this to him right now. Chase, this is for you. This is so you can rest well tonight and not have to worry about anything else but getting a good sleep and protecting the lambs and the birds. Love you guys. And with that, it's time for bed. I think it's so sweet they play with this toy and they have a magnet. I can't take it away from them. Oh my God, it's so sweet. I'm gonna save it for tomorrow. I love you guys. Chase, Juno, I'll be back out in a little bit, okay? Who knows, maybe I will come back out and let them in, you know? But the truth is, they are here to protect our flock. Not my flock. Just kidding. Mom makes me so always turn around when I come in. And I say, thank you. I'll see you in a little bit, okay? Basically.